A few days before, the sub-brand of ZTE Nubia revealed that the company would launch the all-new Nubia Z50S Pro on July 20th in a launch event. The ZTE Nubia Z50S Pro has arrived, and there was a last-minute addition of a third colorway. The first two go for a serious camera look with a lens-like camera bump and a grippy leatherette texture. The third option is inspired by ice instead, and the camera island is adorned with an opalescent ring. ZTE has unveiled its latest high-end smartphone, the ZTE Nubia Z50S Pro, and the handset comes with some impressive specifications. Nubia Z50S Pro specifications. Operating system, Android 13. Chipset, Qualcomm SM8550AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. GPU, Adreno 740. Display type, AMOLED, 1B colors, 144 Hz, HDR 10+, 1200 nits. Display size, 6.78 inches. Pixel density, 452 ppi. Screen resolution, 1260 x 2800 pixels. Base memory internal base, starting with a 12256 GB. Camera, 64 MP wide, 32 MP telephoto, 50 MP ultrawide. Front camera, 32 MP. Video, up to 8K, 4K. Wi-Fi 802.11. Bluetooth, 5.3. USB, Type-C 3.1. Sensors, Fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Battery type, lithium polymer battery 5100 milliampere. Charging, 80W wired. Body color, black, gold. Price, said phone currently starts at $665. Launch date, expected release 2023 July.